Today, 24th November 2020, we are going to revise structured questions in plant response. Your teacher is Dr. Bbosa Science. Telephone 0778 633 682. Email digitalteachers.uganda@gmail.com. Website digitalteachers.co.ug. Here find notes, exams and their marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology and math. Or visit our YouTube channel, Digital Teachers Uganda, for related videos in physics, chemistry, biology and math. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School. Number 1, the figure below shows the effect of unilateral light on the growth of a plant shoot. Study the figure and answer the questions that follow. A. Explain why each cleoptile appear as shown after 5 days. You can pause and answer. 1. The tip produces auxins that concentrate on the darker side and promotes cell elongation on the darker side, leading to the bending of the cleoptile. 2. No bending because the source of auxin was removed. 3. No bending because the tip does not produce auxins in the absence of light at the tip. B. What is the importance of the response shown in the figure to the plant? You can pause and answer. Phototropism enables the plant to grow towards and obtain light for photosynthesis. 2a. What is made by tropism? B. Describe the importance of different types of tropism in plants. You can pause and answer. Tropism is a growth response towards or away from a stimulus. B. Uses of tropic movements. 1. Phototropism enables a plant to obtain light for photosynthesis. Geotropism enables a plant root to grow into the soil for anchorage and to obtain water. It also allows the shoot to grow upright and obtain light. Hydrotropism enables a plant to obtain water. Chemotropism allows a plant to obtain mineral salts. Phygmotropism is a plant response to touch. Enables a plant to avoid being eaten by animals. Number 3. 3 healthy species of flowering plants A, B, C were subjected to a range of different light and dark treatment. The results are shown in the table below. A. State the periodic group to which each of the species belong. Give a reason for each answer. You can pause and answer. A is a long day plant because decreasing light duration inhibits flowering. B is a short day plant because decreasing light duration promotes flowering. C is day neutral plant because its flowering is not affected by duration of light. B. Describe how photochrome controls flowering response shown by species A and B. You can pause and answer. Roman 1. Flowering in species A is promoted by PFR, which is sensitized in light. 2. Flowering in species B is promoted by PR, which dominates in the darkness. C. What would be the effect of flashing light during the darkness on each of the species? You can pause and answer. A. Flowering is promoted because it requires long duration of light to flower. B. Flowering is inhibited because it requires short duration of light to flower. So flashing would increase the duration of light. C. No effect because its flowering is not affected by light duration. Number 4A. What is meant by apical dominance? You can pause and answer. Apical dominance is the inhibition of development of lower lateral buds in the presence of apical bud. Number 4A2. What's the importance of apical dominance? You can pause and answer. Enables the plant to increase in length to reach light for photosynthesis other than growing horizontally. Number 4B. State the causes of each of the following. 1. Apical dominance. 2. Seed dormancy. You can pause and answer. Part 1. Apical dominance is caused by auxins produced by apical bud. 2. Seed dormancy is caused by immature embryo, impermeable seed coat to water and oxygen, presence of growth inhibitors. Some seeds require light treatment to germinate. Some seeds require cold treatment to germinate. 4C1. State the importance of seed dormancy. 4C2. State how seed dormancy can be ended. You can pause and answer. 4C1. Seed dormancy is important because 1. Allows seeds to mature. 2. Allows seed dispersal. 3. Enables the seeds to survive harsh conditions. 2. Seed dormancy can be ended by removal of growth inhibitors by soaking the seeds. 2. Application of growth promoters like gibberellin. 3. Removal of seed coat. 4. Light treatment. 5. Cold treatment. Number 5. The figure below shows the effect of red light and far red light interruption in the night period on the flowering of a plant. A. What is the effect of interruption of the night period by each type of light? You can pause and answer. Increase in the duration of red light interruption in the night inhibits flowering. 2. Increase in the duration of far red light interruption in the night promotes flowering. B. Suggest the type of plant that would exhibit the response to light as shown in the figure. You can pause and answer. Short the plant because far red light promotes synthesis of PR, which promotes flowering in short day plants. C. How can the knowledge of the effect of red and far red light on flowering is utilized in commercial growth of flowers? You can pause and answer. Red and far red treatment can be used to induce flowering in certain plants. Number 6. An experiment was carried out on the effect of different concentrations of auxins on roots and shoot of seedlings. The results shown in the table below are expressed as percentage stimulation plus or inhibition negative of growth compared to untreated controls. Use the information to answer the questions that follow. A1. Present the results in a suitable graphical form. You can pause and answer. The graphical form is as shown. Note the scale on the horizontal axis. B. Using your graph, describe the effect of the different concentrations of auxin on root and shoot growth. In the roots, the concentration of auxin is between 10 to the power negative 6 to 10 to the power negative 3 promote root growth, while the concentration above 10 to the power negative 3 inhibit root growth. For shoot, the concentration is below 10 to the power negative 3 has no effect on shoot growth. The percentage stimulation of shoot growth increases between the concentration is of 10 to the power negative 3 and 10 to the power 0, and then decreases to 0 between 10 to the power 0 and 10 to the power 2 auxin concentration is. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Please visit our website digitalteachers.co.ug for notes, exams and their marking guides in physics, chemistry and biology. Our YouTube channel is Digital Teachers Uganda. Go to YouTube website, where there is a search, type in Digital Teachers Uganda. You'll be given categories of videos. I'm begging you to subscribe and promote my videos. Subscription is free. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College, plus 256 753 80 27 09. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School, plus 256 772849106.